how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. So if you want to connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Make sure that you've turned on your Bluetooth. So go with your Bluetooth section and then go and turn it on. Now once you turn on your Bluetooth, if you want to connect it to your car Bluetooth, then first you need to ensure that your car Bluetooth is also turned on. Once you do that, here under available devices, it will show you your car Bluetooth. Once you find your car Bluetooth name, you need to just tap on it and it will start the connection process. Or you can just go back and then open up your Google Maps and then go with the profile icon, which will be in the top right. And further, you need to tap on the settings option, which will be on the bottom. And here you will see an option of navigation. So you need to tap on navigation. Now go ahead and under the guidance audio or guidance volume, you need to tap on unmute option. And next, toggle on the play voice over Bluetooth section. And also toggle on play as Bluetooth phone call option. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.